We're having a little clutch issue on the GPz1100. So let's see if we can figure it out. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind, and today we're with the 1983 Kawasaki GPz1100. Stay with us. Guys, this is our 1983 Kawasaki GPz1100 that we got almost a year ago for free. Guys, if you're not familiar with this motorcycle, I'm going to give you a little recap, kind of where it was and how we got to where we are today. It's running! So the problem we're having is we have a little floppy clutch. You adjust it, it's still there. I think we got to go through and adjust it right down here. So remove this plate. Let me get the service manual and we'll go through this thing. This motorcycle is so cool. It not only has one manual, but it has two. So we want to work on the clutch. We have to go to clutch, and then it says, hey, you got to go to the other manual to find it. So thankfully, I've got the other manual, digital, right here. So this is what we have to do. So let's get at it. So I might as well start it for you guys, right? Hadn't started in a while. I'm not gonna let anything get hot since I'm gonna have to be touching the engine. So that's it. This thing is a beast. So we just have to start by taking this cover off. This little cover, and hopefully it's just an adjustment and I don't have to go through and change pads. It was an all of a sudden thing, so I mean I don't have to change the clutch, but if I do, we do. So we can use this to get it off. Okay, good. There we go. I'm gonna need a screwdriver and a 14mm, it looks like. So the only instructions are to loosen the lock nut, turn the screw counterclockwise until it becomes hard, and then back it the other way clockwise, a quarter turn, and you're all done. So let me see if I get it right. How about I get the right? It's a 12. Be right back. Okay, so it was a 12. So let me loosen that up. And now we're going to go back. It says counterclockwise till it gets hard. That's kind of where we were. Let me see what we have. Yeah, let me go the other way. And then go back. Let's see if this makes a difference. And then I have to adjust out the free play up at the handle, and let's see if that makes a difference. Okay, before I keep adjusting it, I'm gonna try to clear up this cable. I think that was part of my problem. I probably had some junk in here, so I'm just squirting some PB Blaster down into it and see if I can get it moving a little bit better. See, it's not quite snapping back, but it is better. It's getting there. There we go. There we go. That's getting better. I'll keep going through this, keep doing that, keep squirting more juice in it. Yeah, we'll keep getting that. It's definitely getting better. Probably just had some, this is the old cable that I got with it that was in, you know, left outside for 10 years. So, sure it had some junk in it. And then we started using it a lot and just kind of loosened up some stuff. Yeah, we'll keep doing it. Definitely working like a clutch should now. Before it was sticking and it would stay, it wouldn't even come back, so. My cable, so probably more of my cable and less of my adjustment, but we're going to do the adjustment anyway, just because. Yeah, that's snapping back good. Was not doing that before. Awesome. The other thing I found is my nut that locks this had back down, so this guy could have vibrated. It could have vibrated and came loose. Let me turn this light on for you. Could have vibrated and came loose and just kind of unscrewed over time, which loosened everything up. So we're gonna keep going through this. I went ahead and oiled everything, lubricated, sprayed some PB Blaster into all of these. Everywhere around it. So now it is moving as it should. Okay, so let's button everything up. I took it on a quick little ride just to make sure it was good. I had to adjust it at the lever a little bit, but it's good. I forgot how good this motorcycle is. So this is the reason why I decided not to take you guys for a ride with me, is because I need some gas. See, I need some gas. And the actually gas light, the warning light came on while I just went to down the road and back in my neighborhood. I didn't even go, I turned around at the bridge, so I didn't go that far. But we're gonna do all the scheduled maintenance on this guy is what's gonna happen next. Everything needs to be done, oil change. We're gonna go through the book and just do everything. Check the brakes, check everything, adjust the chain, just all the nitpicky things that need to be done. And what we're gonna go through and do all of that. Also, we're gonna change these guys out to the originals, these little aftermarket that were put on it before I got it, because I have another one in here. And I bought this motorcycle mainly for the pieces and parts for it. So we're going to take these off, put them on the bike, so I'll actually have the correct turn signals on it. It'll just look so much better. I do them in the front and the rear. The ones in the rear are just awful. They're all broken up. So we're going to go ahead and do that, make that fit, clean it up a good bit, and just get it ready to roll.